Veterans, what's the most terrifying order you've had to follow in the military? I was a team leader in Afghanistan when my platoon got pinned down outside a village. Battalion wanted us to push forward, but intel said the whole area was mined. My lieutenant calls me over and gives me this serious dad talk. He's like, I need you to clear this minefield. I'm staring at him like he's insane. What do you mean, clear a minefield? I need your team to mark a route so the battalion can push through it. How the hell do you want me to do that? I have nothing. They started throwing out suggestions like using a grappling hook with a .22 cartridge fired from an M16. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. You want me to shoot a grappling hook at nighttime in enemy territory to scrape the ground? You think that's the best plan? My team's gonna get murdered. The next best option was to be as quiet as possible and just use a bag. So that's what we did. I took my Eagle day pack, shoved water bottles and rocks in it until it was manageable weight, tied a rope to it, and started working. Tossed the pack out about 15 feet, let it land, then slowly drag it back along the ground, watching for any wires or pressure plates. Repeat for hours. We cleared about 200 meters that night, marking the safe path with chem lights. Not a single explosion, not a single shot fired. The battalion commander later asked how we did it. When I told him, he just shook his head and walked away. Sometimes the simplest solutions work when you've got nothing else.